And for today's recipe, we're using 3 cans of baby whole corn. They look like this, and I've chopped them up. We're gonna roast those over about 2 tablespoons of butter. We're just gonna saute it in a frying pan, and I'll show you what that looks like when we get done. We're gonna use a container of Queso Fresco. It's Mexican cheese. Get it in the dairy department. We're using about 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. We're using the juice from the lime. We're going to sprinkle on some Tajin, and we're using a little bit of Chamoy, and that's what it looks like.